What's going on, everybody? Good Friday to you from the Denali Range here in Alaska. We departed the cabin there in Talkeetna a little earlier this morning, and we are headed to Denali National Park now, grabbing some gas here in Cantwell. If you look behind me, we should be driving up through the front range of the mountains here real soon. Not too much farther, about 20 miles from Denali National Park, and we're excited that you're here, and hopefully you'll enjoy hanging out with us here in Denali, so stick around. Welcome to Denali National Park, everyone. We made it up here, so we're going to go check out the visitor center now and see what we can find over here and where to go and all that fun stuff.
We're missing the sled kennels being opened by one day. They open tomorrow.
Oh, really?
The 15th.
Oh, that's no fun.
Well,
Well, we were really looking forward to looking at the sled dogs that the Rangers have here, but I guess we're gonna miss it this year. So it seems that everything is closed up here for the most part. We missed opening day by, I guess, one day. We can still drive through the park all the way out to, I guess, mile 30 and look around at stuff up there, and maybe we'll find some other things that are open by the ranger stations. I think there's a couple other spots that we can check out on the way up, but yeah, it looks like we'll have kind of a private tour up here by ourselves and check it out, since most everything is still closed for one more day. So thanks for sticking around. Let's do a trail. We're up here still in the Denali National Park, and it's a 0.6 mile trail called the Mountain Vista Trail. So it should be pretty fun. Let's go check it out. So remember, if you see a bear, you don't have to outrun the bear. You just have to outrun Deb.
the bear spit the Deb. Deb's spit. We are the ones it's looking at.
Think so?
The meaty ones. The meaty ones. I'll just put Andy in front of me. Here, you want him, not me.
No, I'm on a diet. I'm going after that one.
We'll just break her legs off and turn them into toothpicks.
Yeah.
That way they can clean their teeth.
That's nice. Right or left?
Oh,
I see something right here.
Yeah, they got some kind of little benches and stuff. Picnic area.
I'm sure either way you keep buckling.
sure.
We could drive there. So.
Really?
Nice.
Yeah, it's like, please tell me there's no bears out here today. 'Cause
Yeah.
but anyway, that's it.
Oh, I'd love to see that bear. If there's one over by the lake.
I don't know where sanctuary is.
Oh no, we'll have to look at the map. Pretty easy trail, nicely groomed. So if you ever get up here to Denali and want a nice easy trail to hike, this is a good one. Not strenuous at all. It's beautiful country out here. For all the photographers in the family. And he's trying to spot the Dall sheep.
I'm right here. Oh.
D-A, not D-O.
Not this time. Again, Texas.
Wow guys, just check this out. Look at this. I mean, absolutely gorgeous, majestic beauty out here in Denali National Park. You know, the cameras obviously don't do enough justice to really show it to you guys, but man, if you get the opportunity to be here, you need to be here. You need to come and witness this for yourselves. And you know, just an amazing experience for Misty and I to come up here and literally get married over in those mountains way out there. And it was just so cool. Glad you guys are here again. Thanks for sticking around through all this video. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't. Biggest compliment to our channel is your subscription, so we do appreciate it, and thanks for following along and hanging out with us. We got more to show you, but man, just absolute, just majestic beauty out here. Words aren't enough to describe this, so let's continue. Well, second wildlife sighting. There was the moose earlier in the car, and I can't get it with the GoPro, but Misty's working on it with her camera, and Andy's got some glass on him. But we found some sheep out here. I'll point the camera that direction, even though you guys won't be able to see it, but they are way out there on the ridge line. I mean, too far out of view for the GoPro, so hopefully we'll get some good pictures off of Misty's camera and be able to show you guys, like on Facebook or something, you know, in the days to come. Pretty cool find. I have absolutely no clue what that is. If you guys know what it is, leave a comment down in the description. But I don't know. It's some like prairie chicken of some kind. No clue what it is, but doesn't seem to bother that we're here. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're out here stopped on the road right now. I thought I'd come in here and do a quick update. Still in Denali National Park. The guys are out videoing and taking pictures of some caribou that are out there. But once again, you know, GoPro's a great cam. It's great for wide angle, big fields of view, action style type stuff. Not really built for you know, anything long distance and stuff like that. So I already went out and looked at them. We'll probably post pictures. I know Misty's going to post pictures on Facebook, and we'll try to put them up on the flying page as well. And yeah, so still out here enjoying Denali and everything that it has to offer, and wish you guys were here. Alright everybody, and just like that we hit the end of the road here in Denali National Park. And so with that, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video series of Alaska 2021. Thanks so much for watching and being here, and we'll catch you again on the next video. See you guys.
See ya.